We are on the lake to renovate the bathroom in the lake house behind me, and this is the view from the dock. And this is the before with the fixtures just put in place. We will have the shower in the blue corner, but there's some work to be done on the subfloor because the structure is insufficient. We have to boost it up and put a new subfloor down. And this is the final walkthrough of our lake bathroom renovation project. You've seen before, and we had some problems with the floor which we fixed nicely. And here's the whole thing. This is almost 12 by 12 square feet bathroom, almost exact square. And so here we go. It's obviously heated floor, curbless linear drain shower with the bench, and a little surprise with the bench. Feature wall with this beautiful glass mosaic, and we wanted to introduce little interest, so we put this vertical side down at the center of the niche, which is the center of the wall. And talking about the mosaic, we repeated the pattern on a backsplash here on the vanity. Same thing, same idea, and this was interesting. We joined two shoulder niches together. This is first time I've done a niche like this with 3 different kinds of tiles, because the bag, that penny tile, is the same one as on the floor. So we had a linear drain with the penny tile on it, centered nicely on the mosaic, shower set with the body jets and ceiling mounted shower head. There was a requirement for the full accessibility. That's why the screen here is shorter, so we have full 30-inch opening for any walkers or wheelchairs. And the floor is heating, the shower floor is heating, and the bench is heated as well. And a little surprise about the bench. I know Schluter sells a big box, but I'm not a fan of big boxes. When you can have a little feature here, so we tile the bag, and here's a little storage for towels and other items right out of the view, nicely tucked away, while you can enjoy full waterproof bench with the heated tile. So we have a full return with the mitered corner, and obviously we like Deco SG, so we set the glass in the Deco SG on the bench and also on the ceiling as well, so we are no channels protruding past the tile work. So those are pretty much all the features of this fancy shower. Freestanding bathtub on angle, which reflects the toilet, which goes on diagonal as well. Nice double vanity, and again heated floor all the way through. It was a fun tile to work with. We tried to create some kind of continuous pattern. It was a lot of sorting, so we used up the bolder ones down here, and then ending up with the identical tiles going through. So we have a repeating pattern up the wall and little bit across the ceiling with the least veining tile up on top, and managed to kind of wrap the bench with the pattern even all the way down. So we had as you can see, a lot of fun with the tile work on this one. It was a super cool project. Again, this is the lake house. That's why the mosaic was picked as an aquatic theme. Nice and blue, and it's a glass mosaic, so it's, if actually you appreciate the beauty when you stand close by, then you can see all the visuals. And also with the glass mosaic, the grout lines give you the reference point, so you can see the depth, which is hard to capture on the camera, because all you see is on the back of the glass. So this 3D effect runs through the whole wall, and again, it's a beautiful mosaic, and it was a lot of fun to play with this. So, and pretty much this is oh, and when we were playing with the body jets, we thought, well, they are exactly 12 inches apart, as well centered on the tile. So we started from the bottom with the cut, and so the body jets are centered on the tile halfway, and then we just wrapped up onto the ceiling with the other tiles. So this is all the features of this super fun project, lake bathroom renovation. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.